Christmas dinner, getting ready for Zach and Ice. They get their ham and their potatoes and their gravy and their bread. They're excited.
You guys ready?
You guys ready for your Christmas dinner? What is that, good, Zach? Good stuff? Yummy.
Good idea.
Icy, what you got? You got some Christmas dinner? Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Good ham, Zach?
Zach, you always ham first.